Serhiy from Rivne was one competitor in this year's Ukrainian Pizza Making Championship, Pizza Fest 2018 in Lviv. He's just returned from Italy, where he worked as a pizza chef for 13 years. Serhiy says there are no secret recipes, only improvisation and love for the profession. I think that such competitions must be held all over Ukraine. The championship in Lviv is very impressive. I really like it here. In Italy, they use really good flour to make pizza. It's a little different from ours. One of the hardest stages of the competition was rolling out the largest pizza dough. You have 5 minutes, 500 grams of dough, and you have to roll it out to be as large as possible. You can do it any way you want. Toss it, twist it. The main thing is not to drop it or tear it apart. The next stage is the fastest rollout. The pizza chefs have to quickly and evenly roll out 5 balls of dough until they're 30 centimeters in diameter. This contest is a lot like the World Championship held in Parma. We follow all the rules of the World Championship. Pizza acrobatics is the most impressive part of the competition, with spectators fighting for a place to get a slice of the action. What's important in this technique is grace, how smoothly you can handle the dough, what moves you can perform. It's hard to compete in this category. In freestyle, we take into account the music chosen by the participants, their clothing, how many times they've dropped the dough, and the general picture, how all these factors are combined.
Now I will try to make a classic pizza in 15 minutes.
At the championship, Ukrainian pizza chefs were evaluated by renowned foreign experts. This is my second time in Lviv. What I saw this year is completely different from the last year's championship. The guys listened to the advice I gave them last year, and they're doing much better now. Serhiy from Rivne made the best classic pizza. The judges noted both the work of the chef and the quality of the selected ingredients. I wasn't expecting to win. The participants were so skilled. I'm overwhelmed with emotion. I think that my love for pizza making helped me win. The winners of all the 5 categories received branded aprons. The organisers plan to hold more pizza making championships annually in order to popularise the profession in Ukraine.